Okay, I'm back again with another video on my channel, on my podcast, on my page, right? Remember, I've been doing series on this issue that is happening in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, whereby children or kids or youths, these young people, either boys or girls, they are seen leaving their homes, leaving their family households or family homesteads, and they come and stay on the streets. They come and live on the streets, or they are seen working on the streets every day of their lives. So I've done videos, I've done series of videos on this issue, but now I'm coming again to you, my viewers, subscribers, people who are on my channel, even the new people plus regulars on my channel, to tell you about something again on this line, on this matter. According to research, according to a study, these children or these Ndebele children, Ndebele kids, Ndebele youths who are leaving their homes, some of them, they're doing it out of their own personal will. They're doing it out of their own good mind, out of their own good brain. It's not an issue of poverty. It's not an issue of social economic pressures. It's not an issue of maybe money problem or financial crisis. It's not an issue of whatever you may think of, but they want to seek independence. They want to seek freedom to come and stay on the streets, to come and live on the streets. This is what I just heard according to my research, according to my study that I did when I was reading, when I was perusing on the internet, that the new trend happened in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town. Children or kids coming from suburban areas, even from the residential areas like Mpopoma or Luveve or Mzilikazi or Ngulumane or Njube and other areas. Kids, even from Pumula South, Pumula North, even from Cowdrey Park, they are coming and they stay on the streets, loitering, working on the streets, doing nothing. And a lot of things is happening on the streets. So I heard this is happening out of their own personal will. This is what they want. This is what they've decided that no, I'm going on the street. I want to be on the street. I like the vibe on the street. I like the energy on the street. I like the ambience or the environment that is happening or existing on the street. And they come and stay on that street, loitering, working on the streets, or doing nothing on the street every day. And sometimes back home. And sometimes they go back home later in the evening or later in the night. But I've heard also reports from several people in Bulawayo saying, in the morning you see them, in the afternoon you see them again, in the evening you see them again, even deeper at night you see these children again. But this is the question, or it begs this question: what are they doing? What are they doing, these kids, for them to love street life, to vibe to street life, to familiarize themselves with the street life? What's happening, or what's pushing them? What's if forcing them into this life? I'm asking this question to you people in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town. Whatever residential area that you are living or staying, please, do you know about this? Do you understand this issue? Tell me in the comment section, comments box, what's happening? Why are Ndebele kids or kids in general in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, Bulawayo Metropolitan Province, why do they like to come and stay on the streets? Why do they like to come and just stay in jail on the streets? What are they doing? What do they like? What's happening? What's forcing them or what's pushing them? But from what I heard, it's an issue of just a personal will, a personal decision, a personal choice that they've made that, I'm going to stay on the streets. I'm going to live on the streets. Today, I'm going to that street. I want to be there. I like the vibe. I like the environment there. I like the ambience there. I like everything that the street is offering to me. So hence you saw the video topic or the video title that Ndebele kids, they like to stay on the streets. They like to stay on the streets of Bulawayo. But I'm deeply concerned. I'm not happy. I'm not impressed by this reality, this social trend that is emerging, this social new phenomenon that is unfolding. I'm not happy. I am not impressed. I am not happy at all. Why do they like to be on the streets? I'm expecting that they must be at school. either at the primary school level or at high school level, even some of them at college level or university level, but they are on the streets, but they are loitering on the streets, but they are doing nothing on the streets every day of their lives. Please, I need explanations. Ndebele people, talk to me. Shona people in Bulawayo, talk to me. Foreigners in Bulawayo, talk to me. Songa people, Venda people, Sutu people, Ndombe people, Nambia people in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town. Tswana people, talk to me. Yes. Venda people, talk to me in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town. What's happening? These children, these kids, these youths, what are they doing? Why do they like or love to be on the streets? Why? What's happening? See you on the next video. I'm done talking. See you in the next episode. Yes.